Just come and help me! I need you to come because this is... You should see his eyes.
Oh, Mayor, I knew you were gonna call. That's why I was sitting here. What? Oh, giant... Oh, yes, you mean a cat. Yes, all right. Well, it's doing what? Oh, Christ, cats.
Whoa!
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, unbelievable. Jesus.
It's huge.
I think we should blast it.
Oh, yeah, right, the cat. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. All right.
It doesn't seem to be working. They're planning this son of a bitch.
I need to think. I need some raw meat. I need to think. And I think best when I have cinnamon rolls and raw hot dogs.
Why do they have to be raw?
Well, it's the synthesis of the protein, the nutritional value of whatever is in here that functions with your body. That's what makes you...
Couldn't get a salad?
Oh, salad, no, not when I have to fight a feline that is crapping all over the city.
Okay.
Have you ever dealt with giant cat crap before? Obviously not. I have.
Okay. Oh wow, you really love those hot dogs, huh?
It's poetry.
Wow.
It's almost seduction. I have to...
Love. That's how we get rid of the cat. Please stop sniffing the hot dogs. And here comes the female cat to seduce the male cat.
Yes, saucy winch.
This works out well.
I think there's a promising start. Oh yes, they're off. Things are looking very
They
promising.
seem to be getting along pretty well.
Oh yes, I think there's a synchronistic groove going on, if you know what I mean. Yeah.
Same thing with me and you, right?
Well, yes, but no. But
Oh, welcome today. Welcome you all. And please be with me to congratulate Action and Basher, our sons that always save us from death, from risk, from robbers, like I do with this beautiful town. All my soul and all my work has been for you, for your families. My Lamborghini, I earned it myself before I became a mayor. And I'm willing to sell this Lamborghini and donate it to the town, to our families, to have beautiful playgrounds, to have beautiful places for our elderly to have their chess games and their poker games. And I'm gonna buy 120 slot machines so all the elderly can go and have fun. And all the income will be invested for new bathrooms, for new pools, for new places for everybody to enjoy our town. Our town, Shelly Town. Thank you for coming today. And please remember to tell all your wives to send their data to our council member.